Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside the YouTube iPhone app. Make sure you're signed into the account whose search history you want to remove. Once signed in, tap your profile icon in the top right corner and choose Settings. From Settings, select History and Privacy. This is where YouTube centralizes search and watch history controls. Do this now so you're on the correct screen. It prevents accidental deletion from a different account and speeds up the next steps, since the buttons you need are right on this page. On the History and Privacy screen, tap Clear Search History to remove all saved searches tied to that account. The app will ask you to confirm. Tap Clear again to execute. Once cleared, use Pause Search History to prevent future searches from being recorded. Toggling this on helps keep your activity private without repeating deletions. If you want selective removal instead, view your Google account activity by tapping Manage Activity and delete individual items. But for a full wipe and ongoing privacy, once you clear and pause, close and reopen the YouTube app and type a search to verify suggestions no longer reflect past queries. This confirms the removal. If old searches still appear, make sure the app is updated and that you cleared the correct Google account. Sign out and sign back in to force a sync. If problems persist, reinstalling the app usually clears cached data. One key troubleshooting tip: update iOS and the YouTube app first, because outdated versions can block history changes or trigger sync delays.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.